Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and I have the day off, but I just got done washing my Subaru Outback. A lot of you have requested that I do an update on the products that I have on here. I'm just going to get ready to do an update on the Ethos graphene coating. For those of you that are interested in that, look for that link down below. But for those of you that are curious how the Cerakote trim coating is holding up for my vehicle now, I coated this back in November of 2019. I've done one update on it at 6 months, and we are probably pushing 1.5 years on this. So I wanted to share with you guys how the coating is performing. For those of you that are not familiar, this is Cerakote, their trim coat. This is essentially a trim restore and a trim coating all in one. It's almost the equivalent of applying like clear coat on top of your trim, and I just want to bring you in close. For those of you that want to kind of see what the trim looked like originally, I'll put the link for that original video down below of me applying it. But you can see we don't have any sort of zebra effects. Here I was getting zebra effects going on. I have polished the vehicle since then to apply the Ethos graphene, and you can see so far everything looks nice and rich and dark. Here's like 1 or 2 areas where I got a little polish residue off, but that was my own downfall. And here you can see when I applied it, that's kind of the original color of the trim. And then here we've got that nice rich black. I'm not worried about that because only someone like me is going to notice that. When you come back at a distance, it really looks fantastic. What I really have been impressed with is our trim pieces here. They were extremely dull. I had to frequently polish them to kind of bring back that luster. You can actually see almost a level of reflection in this gloss because of the gloss that the coating gives off. It just really has done a fantastic job. When my kids kind of close the doors and we get smudges, it can be a little bit of an annoying thing, but it easily wipes off, and it absolutely looks fantastic. You can just see our trim pieces. For those of you that are on the fence of whether or not you want to use Cerakote, it is extremely durable, long-lasting, very easy to apply. I'm going to put the link for it down below. For those of you that you want to try it out for yourself, maybe your vehicle, your trim is getting a little neglected, maybe you got some zebra effects going on, fading, or you want to prevent that from happening, it's a great way to protect your vehicle from the get-go. You don't have to wait for your trim to be faded to apply something like this. You're going to get enough wipes to be able to do your entire vehicle. In fact, I had, from my original packet, probably 6 or 7 packets left over. Exceptional value. So for those of you looking for a solution to protecting trim, or for your customers, I definitely encourage you guys to check it out. I've been impressed. Anytime a customer says to me, what can I do for my trim? This is my go-to product now. So thanks guys. We're going to wrap it up. I just wanted to do a quick update and share with you guys what's going on with the Cerakote trim. But we will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.